Rockin' Around the Christmas Tree, a well-known song. I tried to throw in some variations on the chords so it gives the song a little more flavor, I think. I play it in the key of G. Rockin' around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe is high where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rockin' around the Christmas tree let the Christmas party spring. Lady will have some pumpkin pie, we'll do some caroling. You will get a sentimental feeling when you're there. Voices singing, let's be jolly, deck the halls with balls so holly. Rockin' around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone's dancing merrily in a new old-fashioned way. Yeah, everyone's dancing merrily in a new old-fashioned way. The key of G, I play G, G6. The G6 you get while you move your, from the G you move your pinky one step down. On string 5, fret 2. Rockin' around the Christmas tree at the, onto the D. There I play the D. And I vary it, the bass on string 5 and open string 5 and 4 and 5. At the Christmas party hop, mistletoe to the D7, how well to the D, you can D7, C, Mary to the D, couple D7, tries to stop on the G. And that you play twice because the same chords come in for the rest of the first verse. And into the bridge you go from G to C. You will have a sentimental to the B minor feeling when you're here. And voices singing Let's Be Jolly. That you can play on the E minor if you like. Voices singing, let's be jolly, deck the halls with bows, oh holly, onto the D. And a little more advanced way to do it is playing the bass from E to B on string 5, while you keep your index finger on fret 5, string 5, string 4. And you go like this, and you sing, voices singing, let's be jolly, decks the hall with bows, oh holly. Okay? And you play right around the Christmas tree, happy holiday. Everyone's dancing merrily on an old-fashioned way. Everyone's dancing merrily on an old-fashioned way. C, G, G. So, the last line. Everyone's dancing merrily on an old-fashioned way. Good luck with this one.